Hello friends, thank you for watching this video with me. In this video you'll see a Nardo grey BMW E30 backed on BBS rims build. Owner made from this old BMW E30 a car that turns all heads today. He put all the new components together and made a truly unique interior. You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Remember, all these videos on this channel is made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until.
Leave your answer in the comment section below. What change will you make to this car to make it look better? What do you think he is missing? Do you think it will look better with another change? What change?
Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like.
Did you know? Contrary to legend, the first Ford Model T cars were available in a variety of colors: blue, green, grey, red, without black being among them.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.